All right, guys, so obviously I can't dance, but I can teach marketing, so that's what I'm gonna do in this video. You've been asking for TikTok videos, how to get your songs on dance challenges, how to blow up, how to do this, should I pay for that? How do I go about building a fan base? How do I go about promoting my music using TikTok? Now, one thing that a lot of people ask me is, Adam, if I spend $1,000 or $500 or even $30 over here to get a well-known TikToker to feature my song, am I gonna be able to go viral? Well, I don't know. Are you going to be able to win the lottery tomorrow? Because in my opinion, that's kind of what it's like. My personal opinion is if you go after these TikTokers that are using it as a business, they'll feature your song, and then they'll feature someone else's song tomorrow. Then they'll feature the third person's the day after that. How likely are we to actually be able to go out and build a fan base, get that viral pop, and get a return on investment? Because a lot of these guys are very expensive. Now, when it comes to cutting through the noise on TikTok, cutting through the noise online, no different than the cicadas and the guy weed whacking behind me, it's all about momentum, it's all about numbers. So instead of going to one person with $1,000 and saying, hey, can you feature my song? Why don't we reach out to 100 little TikTokers that are just trying to get their foot on the ground, get their momentum started and progress going just like you're trying to do, and get them to feature you. Maybe you want to develop a dance challenge yourself, or have someone you know or a choreographer on TikTok make a dance challenge, then take that dance challenge and present it to 100 different influencers to do that same dance. Therefore, by numbers, you're ultimately going to be able to have a lot of spread in a controlled manner. Now, what you can do right now is go to TikTok, go to the trending songs, see who's participating in those challenges, see who's participating in dance challenges or lip sync challenges, and reach out to them in a very authentic way and say like, hey, I love what you're doing. Even if they only have 50 or 500 or 1,000 different followers on TikTok, it's going to be beneficial to you, because I would rather have 100 people, 50 people, even 20 people doing a dance challenge, doing a lip sync thing, doing some type of trending, some type of trendy thing with my song than one person rolling the dice hoping that you win the lottery. It's no different than going into a gas station, a convenience store, and saying, I think I can win $500,000. I think I can do that with this one scratch-off ticket. There's a chance, because otherwise they wouldn't sell them, but it's very slim to none. If you think that your song has a little bit of, a little bit of possibility, I should say, to go viral, if you think that your song has what it takes to really be trendy, really go wild and catch fire on TikTok and Instagram, you can do these things on all the different platforms. The dance challenges, all of that is just social media marketing at its finest in a guerrilla campaign style. So reach out to small people. It doesn't matter how big their audience is. Somebody that's just getting started would be honored to feature your song, honored to feature your music, and feel like, hey, mom, dad, look, somebody's asking me to dance to their song. Hey, wife, boyfriend, whatever, this person is validating what I'm trying to do. And then together you grow that community, and next thing you know, maybe 6 months from now, you're friends with 200 different TikTokers that you don't even have to ask them to promote your stuff, because they're gonna do it naturally. They're gonna come to you and say like, hey, Trevor, hey, Ashley, hey, whatever, I wanna feature your song, I really like what you're doing, or ask if you have anything new coming out, because they wanna be the first to break it. They wanna help you. It's all about community, it's all about growing. Now, don't get me wrong, there's going to be people on TikTok, even small accounts, that want maybe $10, $20, $50. Some people that are crazy are gonna ask for a huge ticketed amount, but you don't have to go after that. Make a list, go after them, make some type of copy and paste email or message template that you can then customize for what they're doing. Don't just send them, hey, what up, fam? Would you like to dance to my song? Like, I'm gonna be the next big thing. Don't be that guy. But look at TikTok as an avenue to get spread, to get delivery, to get that little bit of pop that you've been looking for on all the other social platforms up to this point. TikTok is not magically going to make you an overnight success unless you put in the work, unless you have a product, and unless you have the right place at the right time in a certain way. But the right place at the right time doesn't work unless you're putting in the work to begin with. What I'm gonna do, what I'm telling people I'm gonna do, does not compare to what I actually do. Guys, if you want to grow on TikTok, if you want to get a following and build that momentum and get people to really pay attention to what you're doing, think outside the box, Go after those building because they're going to push you with a little bit more enthusiasm rather than the person charging $5,000 and to you, you're an invoice number. I hope that made sense. Let me know in the comments below if you've been dabbling on TikTok, if anyone's ever danced to your songs. Click this video next to be taken to a place that's going to take you to the next level on social media in general. Then smash that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Kick that bell icon. Come connect with me over on Instagram. I appreciate you watching.